The future of industrial computing is here. Smarter, stronger, and scalable solutions that you can rely on. Imagine an industrial world where the computing systems working behind the scenes are not only tougher and faster, but also intelligently designed to grow with your business needs. That's exactly what the latest wave of industrial computing innovations from APLEX, ADLINK, and AAEON are bringing to life. But here's where it gets truly interesting. These solutions don't just meet current demands. They prepare industries for a future of smarter manufacturing, seamless edge computing, and high-performance scalability. Revolutionizing smart manufacturing with intelligent panel PCs. APLEX's AiTRON series is pushing the boundaries of what industrial-grade multi-touch panel PCs can do. Brought to life with powerful Intel N97 and Core Ultra processors, the AiTRON 8C and AiTRON 9E models are designed to excel in both indoor and outdoor settings. Picture a device that combines the latest processing technology with robust, fanless aluminum housings rated at IP66, ensuring these panels remain dust-proof and water-resistant, no matter the environment. What makes these panels truly stand out is their 7H hardness projected capacitive touchscreen, which offers high durability against scratches, a must-have when devices face rigorous daily use. For those tricky environments like electric vehicle charging stations or outdoors digital kiosks, optional features like super bright displays, optical bonding to reduce glare, anti-UV coatings to withstand sunlight, and automatic dimming come into play. These options make the AiTRON series adaptable to nearly any setting you can imagine. But the AiTRON goes beyond rugged design. It acts as a vital control center for mission-critical industrial tasks, such as process automation, robotics integration, edge AI analytics, and real-time system monitoring. Available in screen sizes from 10.1 inches up to a generous 21.5 inches, these devices provide enough visual real estate without sacrificing ruggedness or performance. In essence, AiTRON isn't just a screen. It's the central hub orchestrating smart manufacturing's dynamic and complex operations. Compact, yet powerful, the EMP100 series, ideal for edge computing size, can be deceiving. And ADLINK's EMP100 series mini PCs prove it emphatically. At an incredibly slim profile of just 28 millimeters, roughly a quarter the thickness of a standard sheet of A4 paper, these fanless mini PCs pack powerful Intel Celeron J6412 or N6210 processors inside. This compact size makes them perfect for deployment where space is extremely limited, but computing power cannot be compromised. Despite their small footprint, the EMP100 units come with rich connectivity options including dual HDMI ports for multiple displays, super-fast USB 3.2, gigabit Ethernet, and expandable M.2 slots for extra storage or wireless modules. Optional built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities add even more flexibility, enabling integration into Internet of Things IoT environments such as smart retail systems, factory automation setups, kiosk terminals, and digital signage networks. Durability is baked into the design. These mini PCs have been tested to withstand intense physical shocks up to 30 G and vibration levels up to 3 GRIMS, and they meet stringent CE and FCC Class B standards for electromagnetic compatibility. With diverse mounting options available, they can be seamlessly incorporated into complex industrial or retail infrastructures without missing a beat. Recognition through the Taiwan Excellence Award underscores the EMP100's role as not just an industrial component, but a key building block in powering India's rapidly growing smart technology ecosystem. Scaling up industrial performance. Introducing the RT510 rack-mount chassis. When industrial applications demand not just power, but the ability to scale efficiently, AAEON's RT510 rack-mount system answers the call. This 4U size industrial enclosure is built to endure heavy-duty enterprise workloads while providing unmatched flexibility for various hardware configurations. Supporting a wide range of motherboard form factors, from ATX and micro ATX to mini ITX, the RT510 features a robust 7-slot backplane for extensive system expansion, catering to complex computing requirements. It ensures operational stability with a well-thought-out thermal design that includes a 120mm front fan fitted with a dust filter, targeting effective cooling even during heavy computational tasks. A secure card retainer helps keep add-on cards firmly in place, minimizing the risk of disruption in high-vibration environments. Storage needs are thoughtfully addressed with a combination of internal and external HDD bays, 4 3.5-inch and 1 2.5-inch internal slots, plus external bays including 2 5.25-inch and 1 3.5-inch slots, allowing for versatile configurations tailored to diverse industrial use cases. Power supply options include PS2 single units or mini-redundant systems, enhancing reliability in mission-critical operations. This rugged and highly adaptable solution is perfect for environments where downtime is simply not an option. Think data centers supporting cloud infrastructure, or manufacturing lines demanding continuous uptime with zero tolerance for failure. A collaborative vision for the industrial revolution ahead. What unites APLEX, ADLINK, and AAEON is a shared commitment to pushing the frontiers of industrial computing. Whether it's APLEX's intelligent touch panels empowering real-time factory insights, ADLINK's sleek and potent mini PCs enabling edge intelligence, or AAEON's scalable rack-mount chassis supporting enterprise-grade workloads, these industry leaders are crafting the backbone of tomorrow's industrial landscape. Their offerings are far more than just hardware. They represent an integrated vision where smart design, uncompromising durability, and advanced computing power come together to fuel automation, connectivity, and performance at a global scale. So here's the challenge for you. As these technologies elevate industrial capabilities, how do you see them reshaping the workforce, operational efficiency, and even global manufacturing competitiveness? Do you believe embracing such rugged and intelligent computing platforms is essential for future-proofing industry? Or are there risks and alternatives worth considering? Share your thoughts and join the conversation on this exciting transformation.